The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, previously rumored to launch as the Galaxy S25 Slim, has been the center of attention after Samsung unexpectedly teased its arrival last week. While the company has yet to reveal the full specifications of the device, a recent leak suggests a major change in its camera system. Initially rumored to feature a triple-lens setup, the latest report claims the S25 Edge will instead sport a dual-camera configuration. According to an insider Panda Flash, the final design might include a 200-megapixel primary sensor paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This aligns with the ultra-wide camera choices in Samsung's other flagship models, where the S25 Ultra boasts a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the standard S25 and S25 Plus opt for 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensors. The same source also tweeted that the device is expected to come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on its display, similar to the S25 and S25 Plus. However, unlike the S25 Ultra, which features Gorilla Armor 2, the Edge model appears to focus more on durability. Recent reports suggest that the device will have a slim 6.4mm profile, though it may measure 8.3mm around the camera module. The phone will likely run on a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy SoC with 12GB RAM. It will ship with Android 15-based One UI 7 for a smooth user experience. Initially, the Edge model appeared to be a compelling option, but concerns arose following the revelation of its battery specifications. According to a 3C certification listing shared by Abhishek Yadav on X, the device is expected to feature a 3,900 mAh battery with 25-watt charging. This is particularly disappointing, given that the standard S25, with its smaller 6.1-inch display, is set to include a 4,000 mAh battery. The S25 Edge, anticipated to feature a 6.66-inch display, seems to compromise battery life, which could negatively impact overall performance and user experience. This raises questions about the S25 Edge's overall strategy. If Samsung intended to rival Apple's rumored slim iPhone Air, the execution seems lacking. While the Edge is thinner than most Android phones, it doesn't stand out enough as a true ultra-thin device. Apple's iPhone Air is expected to push boundaries with a 5.5mm profile, making Samsung's 6.6mm design seem less remarkable. As a result, the S25 Edge finds itself in an awkward position, not quite an innovation in slim design, nor a practical everyday smartphone, leaving its true purpose uncertain. Samsung has not officially confirmed a release date for this model, but leaks suggest it could launch between April and May 2025. Pricing details remain undisclosed, but given the premium positioning of the device, it is expected to exceed $1,000. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.